to come out tonight because we wanted to get some fall family fun in the month, and this was a great way to do it. Being able to be outside and be together and learn a new skill and work as a team.
My favorite thing about tonight was the GPS because all of us got to work together and all of us directed each other with the GPS compass. And I just really liked the fact that we all just went up trails.
I think it was nice for us to get these guys out of the house and doing something social, pretty safe, obviously, environment. So it's something we've wanted to do all summer, but I think beautiful evening and great settings.
My favorite thing was when we were exploring